Usually, WordPress themes already have predefined widget areas. However, for some reason, you may need to create additional widget areas for blocks or shortcodes. There are two ways to create additional widget areas: by using the WP Custom Widget Area plugin, and by writing code into the theme's functions.php file. In this video, we will guide you on how to create additional widget areas using the WP Custom Widget Area plugin. For adding widget areas by coding, please refer to the instructions and use the code provided on our website. To install the WP Custom Widget Area plugin, first, you need to download it. The download link is available on our website. After downloading the plugin file, on the left menu, click on Plugin, then Add New Plugin. In the new interface, click Upload Plugin, and select Choose File. In the new window that opens, find and select the plugin file you just downloaded, then click Install Now. After the plugin has been installed, click on Activate Plugin on the next screen to run the plugin on your website. Now, you can create new custom widget area. On the left menu, click on the newly added block of CWA Settings, then click Custom Widget Area. In this interface, enter the full name of the area to be created in name box. The ID will be generated automatically, so you can leave it as default. You can enter a description or leave it blank. Finally, click Create, and the newly created widget area will be displayed in the list. Now, you can check and use the area you created. In this interface, you can also delete or edit the custom widget areas you have created. We finished here the video. If you find it useful, subscribe for more video. Thanks and see you soon in the next videos.